Hi. Quite often, when you create a new hatch object, you may already have an existing hatch object and simply want to add a hatch to another area in the drawing. You can use the Match Properties tool to copy the settings from one hatch object to another. This way, you do not have to remember the settings you used to create the existing hatch and then manually change it. To try this, start the hatch command from Home ribbon, hatch command, and then simply click Match Properties. On the hatch creation ribbon in the button panel, you can see that the current hatch button is set to solid. When you click the Match Properties button, the program prompts you to select the hatch object and display a little paint brush icon adjacent to the big box. Select the hatch object whose properties you want to match. As soon as you do the settings in the ribbon, the pattern, angle, scale, and so on change to match those of the object you just selected. For example, I'll select this hatch. So now in the pattern panel, you can see that a NSI 32 hatch is selected. The hatch pattern scale has been set to 0.5, and when you expand the properties panel, you can see that the program will create the new hatch button on the hatch on layer 1. The program prompts you to pick the area you want to hatch, move the cursor over the area and left click. You can see that the new hatch does indeed match that of the hatch button you just selected. When you are satisfied with the appearance of the hatch, click Close Hatch Creation or just press Enter. Thank you.